Modbus is a serial communication protocol which belongs to the application layer as a data transmission protocol. During data exchange, it is divided into master and slave devices. The master device is often called the client, and the slave device is called the server. Elite Robot supports Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP communication modes and can be used as both server and client. The following content in this video will use Modbus TCP as an example to explain the configuration on the Elite Robot. When the robot acts as a server, the controller IP address needs to be set. Set the IP address to 192.168.1.200. Set the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0. Next, select extension, Modbus Slave. Choose TCP. The system will automatically fill in the current controller IP address and port number, and the port number is fixed at 502. This way, the configuration of Modbus TCP as a server is completed, and the device as a client can directly obtain or set the state and signals of the robot controller. Next, use the Network Debugging Assistant to interact with the robot controller. For example, if the user wants to obtain the current states of the robot as in play mode or teach mode, then the virtual coils M416, which tracks teach mode on or off, and M417, which tracks play mode on or off, will be used. Open the Network Debugging tool, and the connection setup is shown in the figure. After the configuration is complete, click OK. Then click the Read Function button. Select the function code 01, Read Coil Status. Enter the address 416. Click OK. The value of the coil address M416 is displaying as 1. When the robot state is switched to the play mode, the value of M416 changes to 0, and the state of M417 changes from 0 to 1. The last example uses the coil reading function from Modbus standard function code. Other function codes are shown in the table. The virtual coils 0 to 527 of the Elite Robot are read-only, and those after 528 are readable and writable. Therefore, we can use function code 6 to set the value of a single register, or function 15 to set multiple registers to virtual coils from 528. When the robot acts as a client, it's necessary to write a Lua script program through special instructions to complete the communication. Commonly used commands include Modbus Communication Setting Command, Modbus Connection Command, Modbus Connection Closing Command, Modbus Register Writing Command, and Modbus Register Reading Command. The following content will demonstrate connecting two robots through Modbus. Robot B will be used as the client to read the value of the collision detection sensitivity of Robot A. The Lua script example is shown in the figure. The first line of the script in the figure means waiting for 1 second, and then keep trying to connect to Robot A until the connection is successful. Then use the Modbus Read Register command, input the address as 500, and return the result to the value. here returns the value of 50, which means that the collision sensitivity of robot A as the server is 50%. In this way, communication between the two robots through the Modbus protocol is constructed. The user can also access many other register addresses for status acquisition or function setting purposes.